I'm just going to really quickly explain the difference between hatching and cross-hatching. So hatching is where you're just using individual lines and they're all going in the same direction. They're all moving the same way and they run parallel to each other. So you can see I'm just making some marks. That is what we call hatching. Cross-hatching is where we make marks again, so we begin with hatching, but then we change the direction of the lines and we layer them over the top so that they're going in the complete opposite direction. So generally you will see cross-hatching with two different complete opposite directional marks. Some people like to add a third and a fourth layer, each time changing the direction of those marks. When you're drawing with hatching or cross-hatching, you don't want to place your lines down in a careful, controlled manner. You want to have a bit of a flick so you get a thinner end on the line. So always start in the dark area and work towards the light area. You can see that I'm flicking towards the corner, and as I go, I'm layering my marks. So I start with some really long marks, and I'm slowly getting shorter and shorter and shorter, always working from the dark towards the light. So if I were to break those marks down, you can see there's long marks layered by slightly shorter marks, slightly shorter ones again, shorter, 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 until eventually I have probably at least 5 layers of lines. If I were to apply this technique to some sort of a form, I do like to make my marks go at a bit of a 45-degree angle to maybe the edge of the form. But if I'm working with something that's got a curve, my marks will generally follow that curved shape. So you can see I'm just doing a bit of a cube here. If you'd like to see a more detailed, more scribbly, loose, artistic version of cross-hatching, please view one of my other videos in my Scribble Pen Techniques playlist. And before you go, guys, don't forget to subscribe for more awesome art tips.